Is phone link not working the way it should? Whether you're dealing with connection problems, syncing issues, missing notifications, or features that won't load, this tutorial will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to get phone link working again. So let's get started. Start by making sure both your Windows computer and your phone are connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using calling features, also confirm that Bluetooth is turned on and paired correctly. Open phone link and confirm that your device shows as connected. If it says disconnected or offline, use the reconnect option or reopen the link to Windows app on your phone. Many phone link problems happen because required permissions are disabled. Open the link to Windows app on your phone and make sure permissions for notifications, contacts, messages, photos, and phone calls are enabled. Missing permissions are one of the most common causes of sync problems. Next, update phone link from the Microsoft Store. Update the link to Windows app on your phone and install any available Windows updates. Using the latest software helps resolve many compatibility issues. Restart both your Windows computer and your phone. If problems continue, remove your device from phone link and pair it again using the QR code. A fresh connection often fixes persistent issues. If you're still experiencing problems, open Windows settings, go to Apps, find Phone Link, and open Advanced Options. Try the repair feature first, and if needed, use Reset to restore the app to its default settings. These built-in tools can resolve issues without reinstalling the app. And that's how to troubleshoot most phone link issues. These steps resolve the majority of connection, syncing, messaging, calling, and photo problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.